session. Welcome to the class. Thanks for joining here. Very good evening to everyone. Welcome to day 21 session. Let us start. Good evening Manolan, good evening Hari Prasad, good evening. Good evening to everyone. Very good evening. Good evening to everyone. Welcome to the day 21 session. Muktadar sir, good evening. Hari Prasad, good evening. Manolan, good evening. Very good evening to all. Welcome to the day 21 session. Happy Independence Day. So before going to the start session, just we will discuss about some particular requirements. Yesterday at the end of the time we have seen about OpenAI based, GPT based, OpenAI based API key we have created and we have used, but it will take time to activate. So we should wait for some time for that particular API key purpose. Good evening to all. Good evening to everyone. Very good evening. Very good evening to all. Welcome to the day 21 session. Good evening Muktadar, good evening Manmeet, good evening Lakshita, Kamraj Pandian, good evening. Good evening to everyone. Very good evening to everyone. Welcome to the day 21 session. Then we will start the session. Wait for 1 minute. Knowledge of all. Good evening all. Good evening to everyone. Thanks for joining for the class today. Happy Independence Day. Thank you all. Thanks for joining here. Okay, then let us start the session for today. And what we are discussing, entire thing today we'll discuss very clearly. So no need to worry about it. Then we will start the session. Please check with the voice and everything. Very good evening to all people. Good evening to Manavalan, good evening to Manmeet, good evening to Muktadar sir, good evening Kumar Pandyan sir, and good evening Manmeet. Okay, good evening. Very good evening to all people. Then we will start the session for today. Hope everything is clear. Then we will start the session for today. So today will be about the day 21 session for the prompt engineering of the masterclass. So that is about AI work plan generator, and that will be about the prompt engineering based. So we are at week 3. Hope successfully we have completed 20 days and we just entered 21st day. That is about AI workout plan generator using the prompt engineering. So we have to discuss about the day 21 with the AI workout plan generator. So what is the meaning of the workout? So we know in a regular days to get the fit and to get a health conscious purpose. So we are doing some workout plans that may be different type of things, like that may be exercise, yoga or something, etc, etc. So we have to follow some particular things. So here we are just creating a AI workout plan generator for the purpose of our requirement. So what will be the meaning of this AI workout plan generator means it can create the workout plans like you are seeing, like online and apps based some particular designing of the apps regarding for the workouts and all, right? So like that, here we are just taking that AI workout plan generator using prompt engineering. It can generate the information whatever you need. So in that particular prompt, whatever you are entering, and based on that it can try to give the answer to you. So that is only I am telling it as a AI workout a plan generator. So let us start with the introduction here. So what is the meaning of this AI workout generator means? An AI system that tells so workout plans based on the individual personas. So based on the different type of individual persons, it can create the workout plans. For example, you are just signing with your details, and in a particular prompt you are entering your particular details, then it will work for you as like a human being, how the trainer will be there. In the same manner it can work for you and it can give some workout plan for you. Then definitely it will work, because the working already pre-trained model what we are having, that came because of from the human only, right? Because human only have generated that information. That information we are giving to the Gemini part, and it's trying to in a prompt what you are trying to enter, based on the entering of the information in a question type or something in a prompt engineering, in a prompt, then what you can get, you will get the output because of the entering of your particular question with your requirement. So why we needed this one, why the workout needed? So what exactly the main mode of this particular workout process using this workout generator of the AI means? So here generic plans will be filed to meet the unique fitnesses, goals and motivations. So actually what is the meaning of that means? Sometimes you can see we can't go and meet the people and we can't do workouts automatically. So at the time it may some generation process will be there. That's why we have to use this a particular AI workout generator. But what will be the problem statement? Which type of problems you are getting? So where the human people are getting the problems with the workouts. For example, so they are having some all requirements like equipments will be there, but they can't go through with the plan properly. Then what they can do? And they have to communicate definitely with the person, and they have to do. If the person is not available, then what they can do? And if the person is available also, they can't meet. Then what they can do? So at the time they're getting some particular problems, like users are struggling to find out the personalized and sustainable workout plans. So with the different type of the plans sometimes, so that purpose whatever you are getting the problems, where the human being are getting the struggles to get the better workout plans. Because sometimes you can see based on the height, weight, personality wise, the workout plans will be there. Because some trainers maybe know, some trainers maybe don't know. So because of that only most of the people are getting some heart attack problem something, right? So if we don't know, like if they knows also, they don't know about the stamina, so then what we can do? So definitely we'll get some particular problems. to avoid those particular type of the problems. So we are just going through with this particular uh, problem statement. We are just intimated this problem statement as like the strugglings are going on to work out the plans. So to reduce those type of the problem statement, these use case we are taking to give the better objective part. So that is only our main motto. So here the main objective of this particular concept is about it can create hyper personalized workout routines driven by the user personas. Means based on the user requirement purpose, we can create different type of workout routines and plans based on the human being based requirements. That is the main motto of our concept. So next one, you can see the system architecture, how it can. So coming to the system architecture, so it will be the same thing. So you have to enter your particular input text with your details, and based on your input details, it can take that input to the NLP process. It can do the enhancement. That enhancement content with the prompt it can give, and along with the prompt in a background it can try to select the LLM model to get the better output answer, maybe sometimes any other type of models also. Then finally you can get the outputs of information like this. So this is about the system architecture. So in a main thing for the system architecture, we have to follow some particular requirements. What is the particular requirements means we should know like what is going on exactly, because without system architecture is not possible to complete the entire process. So this is very important when you are getting the output information. So that purpose we have to use this particular system architecture. So coming to the conclusion and the future scope. So what is the meaning of the conclusion and future scope means? The main motto of this concept I can say, I just want to give some workout plans to the human being who are searching for the workout informations based on their height, weight, personality based. They have to take some particular requirements about the workout plans. That purpose our concept name works. So apart from that, in a future scope, so no need to enter the process with the prompt. The prompting we can give as like a voice note, like how the virtual assistant will be there. Like that we can generate a generated based human being, we can generate along with the voice. It can give directly, it can do how the human being is doing on. So like that we can do the future information enhancement we can do for the future purpose of the AI workout generator. So like this, in this particular picture you can see automatically it's trying to suggest something based on the capability of the person. So like that it can help us in a future. So now we can start our task with a particular application whatever you need. So today we are just going through with the application as AI workout generator that we have to work. But before going to the AI workout generator, in a notepad we have to see the steps of that particular information. So now I just want to take my particular information with the AI workout generator on a notebook. So whatever you are having the use case, I am taking here my use case with AI workout generator. So we have to take the AI workout generator using a prompt engineering. Using prompt engineering. So we have to follow this. If you want to do this particular requirement for the purpose of the generation purpose, first you have to take these requirement with the installation of libraries. Installation of required libraries. I am not saying about the fully of the architecture. I am saying along with the coding part what is going on in a background, everything, right? So that is about installation of required libraries. Coming to the next one as import required libraries. I just want to take the importing of the requiring of the libraries. After loading the libraries, what you want to do? So I want to take load models for the purpose of workout So what are the models you have to take? I want to select one type of prompt type I should select, and I want to select Gen AI model you can say, or LLM model you can say. So that is the advantage of this particular requirement. Okay, so we have to follow this particular requirement. So now you have loaded your model. So whatever you need to take the particular model for the workout purpose, that is prompt type we have to select. Along with that we have to take Gen AI or LLM model for the purpose of what you can say. Okay, coming to the next one as a fourth one. Now you have to start your enter your input on prompt. So definitely the prompt you have, you have to enter your input definitely on a prompt only, because then only it's possible to connect with the selective prompt along with the LL type of the model. So coming to the next one as after that, then connect input to the NLP for better sentence enhancement. So this is the important thing. So after completion of that, then I should go through with that, apply enhanced input. Enhanced input is nothing but here you just want to take text or something, whatever you need. That is your choice. If you are applying video also, you can extract it some particular information. If you are applying the audio also, it can convert in the text format. So definitely it should convert into the text format in a background. That is only enhanced part of better enhanced sentence formation. Okay, so apply enhanced input to selective prompt with selective LLM model. I am keeping it as like that. So LLM model. So now what you want to do in a final step means get output results on user interface. So this is the whole process. We have to take the installation, importing of the libraries. You have to load the model, workout model purpose. Then you have to enter your input. Then the input you have to connect with the NLP process. And later for that purpose you have to take the models and you have to apply it. And finally you have to get the results of output by using of the user interface. There you have to see the output process. So that is the main motto of the requirement. So like that you have to follow some particular requirements. So this is about the requirement. Now you can see the particular output process what we are taking. Okay, so now actually the main designing part I will show you, then later I will show you that particular part what we are discussing. So actually you can see if you are taking very big size model, and it should be like that. So I will show you the big size model. First you have to install the libraries, then later you have to import the libraries. So this is about if you want to generate the big size of the prompt, you have to select means this is the option. Here you can see what you want to do. First you have to do the installation of the libraries. After installation of the libraries, you can go to the importing of libraries. So temper file is nothing but temperature for temper present file, and date and time, and Gradio transformers pipeline auto tokenizer model for sequence to sequence LM. So that everything requirement of model you are taking. After importing of libraries, what you want to do, definitely you have to take the models. Here I am taking some particular model name as Google Flan T5 base 5. So that I am taking means here I am selecting my model will be T5 model from the LLM models. Coming to the next one, what I have taken this LLM model. Now what I am doing with the tokenizer and auto model purpose, I am taking tokenizer, I am applying to the model, and later auto tokenizer I am applying. Now what I am doing, I model, I just connect with my type of the prompt. I am taking here text to text generation process. Is the audio is okay or having any disturbance? Can you listen the voice properly? Harihar, very good evening. Swati, very good evening. Alam Khan, very good evening. Thanks for joining for a class here. Kamraj Pandin, very good evening. So, yeah, fine. Hope my voice is audible. So, let us go through the session. So, installing completed, importing completed. I have taken the LLM model of T5 model. That model I am just connecting within my text to text generation format of the model prompt type, and I am taking the pipelining process. So, like that, the three steps: installation, importing, loaded model completed. So that I have to retrain because of this pipelining model. Now what I want to give, so I'm taking personas, means like I'm just taking some particular requirements. So strength of the coach, for example, you're taking it based on the tone, style, bias based, and fat loss based. You want to give a suggestions as like a fat loss based, and like a balanced wellness, or cardio based, or low impact start, like that. So we are having some particular requirements exactly for the purpose of the workout generation plan purpose. So like that we are just trying to add some particular content of the some particular data. Now whatever you are doing, now you are building your prompt. How you are building your prompt? So you're taking the key, API key or something. Then next, the goal you're taking, like what you want to give the output. And here you can see these are the personas. Then later you're taking the experience, days per a week, because how to we have to give, because like how it should give exactly, how the plan will come like that. And session length, equipment, injuries and preferences, extras and units, everything you're just creating a prompt like that. Now what I'm doing, so far that I'm just assigning here personas as a person key, is nothing but a key I'm entering, then I'm just converting into for today. So now today I have selected, means what it can do means, so it can follow some particular instructions. So as per the instructions everything, so we have to generate our plan. So previously what we have done, after loading of the model, the details, whatever you need the details, like workout plan details you have taken. Then later you have created your prompt, and later day by day you need, right? That's why you have taken this that requirement. Later you are giving some particular instructions based on the input details. After that you are generating the plan, is nothing but what, because of your LL model, because of your type of the prompt and everything you are connecting, what the details are they're asking, based on that you're generating the plan. So that is only for generation of the plan purpose you are having. So then for the user interface purpose we are having the customer designing part like that. So this is the main option if you want to do. So but for these we need extra libraries, it's taking still execution process. So like that you have to generate these requirement if you're taking a small user interface. Now I will show you based on the small user interface. So let us start the information with the small user interface for today. So now what are we are seeing there for the AI plan workout with the API key, that is with the API key, right? Because we have seen the key part. But now here I am just taking without API key and information also. So that is executing after completion of these are, and that both we can see the results. So now I am taking without API key based. So the previous code what we have shown the biggest content, that is about the API key based. This is about without API key I am taking. So what I am trying to do means here, the same process we have to follow here also. You have to install the libraries first. So here I am just trying to install the libraries of the transformers and sentence piece. So next one, I am taking the importing of the libraries. So why you want to do installation every time means, so this is online process every time you want to do. If you are in a offline, no need to do the any type of the installation daily. Once you have installed, that's enough. But we don't have the CPU process for the systems. That's why we are using the online process system. For offline purpose, you can use VS Code, Anaconda Navigator with a Jupyter Notebook, any type of platforms what you're having regarding for the Python, then we can use that particular platforms. But I don't have the GPU process with my system, that's why I'm just following with the CPU system.
with the GPU process here. So it's not a mandatory you want to go with the GPU, but GPU only it can try to give at least better type of answers because it's a generated part, right? That purpose we have to ask very properly. Otherwise, it's not possible to give the output properly to here. So now what I'm doing, I'm just importing the libraries. For the Gradio, I'm giving a shortcut name as a GR, and later for the transformer pulse from the transformer, I'm just importing the pipeline to connect my definite type of prompt along with my LLM model. Then only it's possible to give the output process. So now I'm just creating some particular simple model. So what is a particular simple model? I'm taking this pipeline and whatever I need prompt type along with the prompt type I'm saying taking the LLM model, both I'm just connecting with the pipelining process to build a better formation of information to get the better output. So that purpose here gen is equal to pipeline text to text generation, and LLM model I'm taking here also Google Flan T5 base. The same model here also we are taking, but there we are using the API key, here we are not using the API key. Next one here I am taking minimal personas, means there we have given much more of content, right? But not like that here, just we are giving a small requirements, the small requirements of the database we are taking. So what is the personas I am taking here? Strength coach. So progressive overload, fat loss based, the mobility code, the same thing we are just giving for the shortcut purpose. So next, so cardio based and for the beginner purpose. Whatever we are discussing there, the everything we are giving here. So that is we are taking the minimal personas, means what requirements plans can do regularly based on the requirements that we have given as like a persona. Now what you are doing, defining of make prompt. So here we are just trying to make the prompt. Okay, so here I'm just trying to make the prompt. So for the making of the prompt, I want to take my all details about the persona is nothing but whatever we are entering the details along with the goal, days, minimum minutes, and as well as epic equipment. All requirement whatever you need for the workout that you have to make out here. Okay, then so it should return to some particular area. Next what we want to do means create a clear 7 days workout plan for. So here we have to create the 7 days workout plan, because whatever you are creating some particular prompt, in that particular prompt you have to enter the details. Based on the entering of the details, it can create some particular plan for it, right? That's why I'm just taking the details here. 7 days workout plan for goal, weeks or days wise, session length, how many minutes like that, and equipment, which type of equipments you have to take, include the ramp up, warm up, and main workout, cool down, and some particular tips. So these requirements we have to take for the input purpose. Because of these details, then you can generate the workout plan for the future. So these are the details what you are planning: goal, days, equipment, and warm up based or main workout, cool down, and next one is tips. So these details we are just trying to make up the defining function of the make a prompt. So here you just want to observe something, okay? So installing, importing, loading of your models and some particular details. Here you are just creating the defining function where you are using, maybe in a future in a user interface you have to use for background purpose for making of the prompt. And next one you are taking the generating of the plan. So what you are trying to do in a generating of the plan? So you are just entering all details and you have created the prompt. Now you have to ask one question in that particular prompt, and based on that it can try to generate the particular workout plan for you. Because of the already LLM model, you are having some type of the prompt what you have selected, based on that it can try to give. So that purpose here you can see. So you are taking the another defining function will be generate a plan. So here what happened means, in a prompt, make a prompt you are taking because it can generate, and based on the personal goal, days, minutes, and equipment, everything it can take, and it can try to generate the workout plan because your input with the maximum number of tokens 500 and temperature I'm taking 0.9 and generate a text. So can anyone say here what is the meaning of the parameter of the temperature? So which type of the parameter is? Temperature is which type of parameter? Prompt parameter or LLM parameter? If anyone want to say the answer, please try to say the answer. So here we are giving temperature is 0.9, and whether it is starting stage, middle stage, or high stage. Which type of the stage if you are taking this particular 0.9? I think hope you all listened in a fourth day, I think so, about some particular parameters. So now I shown some particular temperature value is 0.9, means how it can give the answer to you. So if any one person want to try here, just try to keep the message here in chat box, then we'll get the output answer for that. So in between we can invite some particular people. Narayan Murthy sir, good evening. Prana, good evening. Pranay Kumar, good evening. Zoha, good evening. If any person want to keep the message about why you are taking temperature as 0.9, whether it is starting stage, low stage, or a medium stage. Lakshmi, good evening. I'm also same name only. Yeah, fine. So just try to give the answer here. So whether it is low size temperature and medium size temperature or high size temperature is 0.9. So please try to give the answer here. If any person want to give 0.9 is which type of temperature? Okay, I'm saying this is about the LLM parameter, right? So temperature and stop sequence, everything. So why you are taking 0.9 temperature here exactly? If any person want to try to say RSPS LLM moderate. Okay, I got some particular answer from one person. If any person want to say answer, please try to give the message in chat box. Please go through ahead. If you want to say any answer, please try to say the answer about this particular model. Any person want to say the answer about it? Okay. Just please try to give the message in chat box until we can continue our session. Okay. So here why we are taking the 0.9 means actually for starting stage, low stage you are having 0.5 up to 0.5 a temperature value of the LLM parameter, and if you are taking 0.6 to 1.0 that is nothing but medium level, and later 1 to 2 something 1.5 you are taking means that is about the high level. So if you are taking the temperature, the quality we have to take. So based on the quality of the information, you have to take the particular temperature. So if the temperature value is increasing, the creative content will be increased. The purpose it can create, it can give the workout plan as like a fully creative part. That purpose, the medium level we have provided temperature value will be 0.9. Then you can generate the text. So return to the output. So like that here we have prepared two defining function, make a prompt purpose and generate a plan purpose. So this is about the main coding part. Now you have to see the user interface. So what is the user interface? Here in this particular user interface, I'm giving some particular background color and I'm giving the markdown purpose, the highlighting purpose, a workout plan generator is a heading purpose, and later I'm taking here personal about some particular requirements, and here I'm taking some particular requirements. You can see I'm taking here some particular text box. Your goal is what, and later you can see build a muscles, loss fat, run 10k something, means I just want to type something, that purpose I'm taking here. Okay, so example purpose they have given. Then next slider you are having, so days per a week means you have to select some particular options. Another slider will be the session length. So because what we have given outside no equipment like that, then you have to click on the button. So then you can click on the generate a plan. It can generate the plan. Then where it can display the output in a text box only. That purpose you are taking the text box and you can see the your plan. And finally you have to click on the button based on your input text box, whatever you're entering and whatever you're selecting the details, and later you have to click on the button, you'll get the output here. And how you can get generate a plan with the different type of details, then you will get the output. This is the process of entire AI workout generator. So installing, importing and loading model and taking the details, making a prompt and generate the prompt, and you are just doing the user interface. Now I'm selecting, I'm just going to the runtime, and here I'm just going to manage sessions, and what I'm having the session, I'm just removing it 4.8 GB. Oh my god. So I'm just removing it, and now I'm executing now. Okay, so I just restarted the session. I'm starting the session. So here, if you are executing the coding part, what you will get first? You will get first installation, then later loading of retrained models of your LLM model, what you are having like .json files, .txt files, everything. After that, it can open your user interface. So that you have to follow. And in this particular area, whether you are getting the output or not, no, it's loading. So it's taking the little bit time because online process, right? Okay, without API key, we can see the result here. So just wait for the result. In between, any person kept the message. Ramesh. Okay. Yeah, Narayan Murthy given answer high level. Yes, it's very near to the high level only. You can see the high level also, no problem. You can see the output results for it. Yeah, now you can see the output results. It's trying to load the installation of libraries. Then later you can import the LLM models what you're having. Finally, you can see the output results. Just wait for the results. Then we can see the output results. And in between, I'll try to share the attendance link. Yeah, it's showing execution is completed, then you will see the results. You can see installing completed, then you are loading, then you have to click on the button. So if you're clicking on the button, then you can see your user interface with the Gradio. So now it's opening like that. And in between, I will do one thing. Okay, here you can see. So here you can see you're having some particular options. So this is about the option. Now here you have to select the persona, which type of requirement you need, like a beginner's purpose or any other purpose like that. So I'm a beginner person, but I'm trying to change another one, cardio based. And here I'm just giving some, what is my goal. And here days I want to select, like days per a week. Per a week, how many days you will come? Okay, how many days you will start, and session length you need a half an hour, 1 hour, 1 minute, how many hours. So I'm giving here 90 minutes, almost 1.5 hour. And equipments, so whatever you need. Okay, so like that I'm just taking my all details whatever I need. So I'm selecting which type of requirement I need, and what purpose you are just joining for this workout, and how many days you are available for a week, and how many hours you can do, and based on that which type of equipments you need. So based on that it can try to generate the plan. So you can see the plan here. So I just want to click on this particular button, then you can see the plan here. Okay, you can see it showing up. So like that it can give some particular informations whatever you need. So that is the usage of this AI workout plan. Yeah, that's all for today. Till now, having any doubts, please try to keep the message. Thank you all. Thanks for joining the session. So I just already kept a message about attendance, day 21 attendance I have shared you. So please go through ahead. Manavalan, good evening. Okay, thank you. Just please try to check here. I have shared you the attendance link for the day 21. That's all for today. Hope you understand how the AI workout generator is doing. The simple thing, you have to select your requirements. Based on your requirements, it can try to generate the workout plan. So that's all for today. Till now, having any doubts, please try to keep the message in chat box. Hope you understand all the requirements. Having any doubts, please try to give the message in chat box. So that's all for day 21 about the AI workout generator using prompt engineering. Thank you. Thanks for joining here today. For August 15 also, so many of people have joined here. Thanks for your interest here. Even in a holiday also you have joined. That's very nice. Thanks for your interest. And once again, thanks to all participants. Ashrit, Pranav, Narayana, and Manavalan, Pranay Kumar, Pranay, Ramesh, and Zohar, Nehalya, Narayan Murthy, RSPS Lakshmi, and Pranay Kumar, Pranav, and Alam Khan, Swati, Hariharan, Manmeet, Knowledge, Monica, Lakshita, Muktadar sir, Hariprasad. So who are joined for the session here? Thanks to all people. Thanks for joining here. Jayashree, thank you. Thank you all. Till now, having any doubts, you can keep the message here. And we have shared you already day 121 attendance link. Please go through with the link and please continue your attendance. Just complete the attendance link and then we will close the session for today. Hope it's clear. Please try to go through with the attendance link. We have already shared an attendance link in chat box. Please check with that. Please check the attendance link. Please go through ahead. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks to all people. So please go through with the attendance link. Please give your attendance there. So until for the next class. So please like, share, comment, and share these details for searching for the prompt engineering and other technologies. That's all for today. Thank you. Thanks for your patience level. Thank you. Thanks for joining for the class. So that's all for today. Having any doubts, you can keep the message in chat box. And tomorrow we are discussing about the content story writing assistant. Okay, let us check for the story writing assistant for tomorrow. Until just wait for the next class. That's all for today. Thank you. Thanks for joining all people. Thank you very much. Zohar, thank you. Having any doubts, please try to give the message in chat box. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. Let's see you in the next session. Bye bye.